Your fingers are not just for typing or scrolling. They can actually become your next income stream. Today, I will show you how finger fitness and hand dexterity can open up surprising ways to earn money right here in the USA. Finger fitness content creation. Create short-form videos, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, showing finger exercises, dexterity challenges, or speed drills. Monetize affiliate links for fitness gear, esports and speed gaming training. Finger agility is critical in competitive gaming. Offer coaching sessions for aspiring gamers. Platforms, Discord communities, Fiverr coaching gigs, musical instrument tutorials. Showcase finger exercises for guitar, piano, or violin. Monetize with Patreon lessons, YouTube memberships, or selling practice guides. Hand therapy and wellness niche. Partner with physiotherapists or wellness brands to promote finger strength tools, grip trainers, stress balls. Affiliate marketing plus product reviews. Finger challenges trend. Launch viral challenges like 30-second finger speed test or finger yoga. Build a community and monetize through merch,